Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're at the Hustle World, good morning Sunday. All right, you all, listen, the live stream will start today at 3 o'clock. So hopefully I see everyone there. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and if you're at the Hustle World, and today we got a boss watch face for you all to check out by DW. Now you need to watch out for DW because he's doing more than raising the bar and bringing the noise. This guy is hitting hard with these watch faces, getting very creative. Now the name of the watch face that we got in front of you today is called DW60. Very nice looking watch face, and always on mode, it looks just as boss. So if you're going out on the town or you're dressing up super casual, this is gonna look awesome on your wrist. Now once the watch face is on, I like the theme, I like the layout, I like the design. I'm giving this one 5 thumbs up in the door. So what I like about it, of course, is that you get an analog watch face and you get digital. You get the best of both worlds. I like the design look of the hands as well. You got a second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You get the day, get your battery percentage as well, get your date, step info. And also it is inactive, so if I tap on the steps, I can get my step info, calories burned. If I tap right here, I can bring up my calendar, set an event. If I tap on the 5, I can go into my contacts. So he makes it convenient for you to use this watch face once you have it on your wrist. It is not a bad look at all. You can go into your settings. And I love the way that whole thing ties into the watch or the bezel of the watch beautifully. You guys got to hit me in the comment section down below on this one. Now you know, DW always makes it affordable in the Gear Manager store. So go check out his lineup, and I'm going to see you all at the next video. But before you leave, hit the like button on the way out, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.